Hello to all of you guys. In this video we will explain to call in any element of class. We are creating student 2 class. Name is variable name. Ahmet is string expression. Surname is variable name. Aslan is string expression. String expression assigns to variable name. Here string expression assigns to variable name. 19 is integer expression. Age is variable name. Integer expression assigns to variable name. 77 is integer expression. Average is variable name. Integer expression assigns to variable name. Then we are calling age element from student to class, and output is 19. Okay, thank you very much for listening patiently. You can follow our channel and like video. See you later. Goodbye. Have a good time.